Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you create custom background color in the CapCut PC. So you can select your videos or photos that you like to edit. For example, you are just going to remove the background, just going to cut out and select out or cut out. Move up as an overlay and select library, select PNG background, just put under the image, under the photo, and you can resize. And after tone, you are just going to select basic, select canvas, and select color or just style. I'm just going to select color and select color you like. Sorry. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.